Today we'll be installing the new Torklift Apex Anchor part number F-5002 in-bed camper tie-downs on a Ford F-150. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame and pop up out of its bed. Concealable when out of use, these provide the strongest mounting option possible for your sliding camper. If you enjoy this video, consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs.
We are going to start by adding the inner tooth lock washer to our 1/2-inch bolts. Also adding our 1x2 plate washers. And then we are going to fish our 4 bolts through the holes in the frame using our fish wires. Then you want to hang your tie-down receiver off the bolts you just fished through the frame using the fish wires, going through the corresponding holes in the tie-down. Then while carefully removing your fish wire so that the bolt doesn't fall back into the frame, you're going to use a 1/2-inch flat washer, lock washer, and a nut on each of the bolts. Now, while applying upward pressure to the tie down, pushing it as far as it'll go, you want to tighten down all 4 1/2-inch bolts. Now, while using 2 of your 3/8 bolts and flange nuts, we're going to attach the drill template onto the tie down. Now, using a 9/16 socket, we're going to snug up the bolts while pushing up on the drill template as far as it will go. Now, using the supplied 6-inch long 1/4-inch drill bit, we're going to drill up through the bottom of the bed, through the drill template, then we are going to remove the drill template so that we can drill our 2-inch hole using a hole saw. Now, using the 1/4-inch hole that you just previously drilled, you're now going to, as a guide, you're going to use a 2-inch hole saw and drill a hole up through the bottom of the bed, or you can drill it down from the top. Now, from the top of the bed, we're going to install the bed skirt, making sure that the tabs go front to back on the bed. Making sure that it securely latches to the bottom side of the bed. Now, using our 4 3/8 bolts with 3/8 flat washers, we're going to install the receiver to the tie down. While you install the receiver, make sure that you do not push the skirt up through the bottom of the bed. You're going to place a 3/8 flange nut on the back side of each bolt. Then, using a 9/16 socket, make sure you push up on the receiver while tightening it down.
Once installed, simply pull up on the insert and twist to lock into position. Your Apex anchors are now ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.